I have in front of me here a 4-way VGA splitter. You can see basically the unit in front of me here. What we have is we have the presentation box here and the 4-way splitter here, power unit, etc. that goes with it. The basic idea of this is that we have an output, we'll say from a DVR or we'll say a PC, and we're going to split it off and run it to up to 4 different monitors. So in this particular scenario here, just off screen, I have a PC feeding into a 4-way splitter, and we're just actually running to 2 monitors to demonstrate it here. So this is a pretty high specification unit. It supports 500 megahertz, which is quite high, much higher than others that we have in the range. So what I'll do now is I'll just give an overview. It comes in this presentation box, and inside of there, what we would have is we would have the following power unit. It's a 3-pin plug, and the output on it is 9 volts and 1 amp. With a user manual, it's the same user manual for the 2, the 4, and the 8-way version. And the manual, of course, is in English. Very, very brief what it goes through, but again, the unit's quite simple to set up. Just if we look on the front of the display here, we'll come along, which just gives the specification on it, and it also just gives an LED display here, which will just tell us if we're receiving power to the thing. Indeed, there's a little LED light on the power unit as well, just to say if it's successfully receiving power. Pretty handy if you're just trying to troubleshoot any problems. If we rotate the unit around, we'll just note here we have our 9-volt input here. Then we have the VGA input here, and then we have our 4 outputs here, so we can support up to 4 different monitors at one time. The question you might want to ask yourself is, why would I come along and pay the extra for a 500 megahertz? Well, the truth is, if you're using it on a small monitor over a short distance, probably you won't notice a huge difference. But the 2 places you will notice a difference going for the higher spec unit here is if you're going with a larger screen or over a longer distance of VGA cable. Really, then the 500 megahertz can make a more significant difference. So what I just have here off screen is what we have set up here. So what we have there is we have a single input cable here, and then we have 2 output cables here. But of course we could have up to 4 output cables. If we just rotate this over, you can see exactly how this is operating. Okay. So it's part of a wider range of VGA splitters we have. We have the 2 to 4 and the 8-way. We have selectors inside our range, and also currently we have 200 megahertz versions of this, which are cheaper, they're popular, but there's definitely a niche in the market for these higher end specification units.